Hello, and welcome to Self-Care Saturdays. Today, we'll be diving into a restorative, a Yoga Nidra session, specifically designed for self-care. Yoga Nidra, often referred to as yogic sleep, is a powerful, guided meditation that takes you into a state of deep relaxation and inner awareness. Through this practice, we'll gently release tension, nourish the body, and create space for healing. Now just find a comfortable position and let yourself surrender into this journey of self-restoration and care. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position, allowing your body to fully rest. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling fully through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body as it rests against the surface beneath you, and let go of any tension you may be holding on to. This is your time for self-care, a sacred space for you to reconnect with yourself. As you settle into stillness, notice the rhythm of your breath, natural and effortless. Allow your breath to be your anchor, gently guiding you inwards. With each inhale, invite a sense of peace and calm. With each exhale, release any worries or distractions. Trust in this process and know that you're exactly where you need to be in this moment. And now, as you continue to rest comfortably, bring your awareness to your entire body. Notice the points of contact where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the gentle support, the way the earth cradles you in stillness. Allow yourself to let go a little more with each breath, sinking deeper into a state of relaxation. Imagine a warm, soothing light at the crown of your head. This light represents healing, restoration, and unconditional love. And as you breathe in, visualize this light slowly beginning to flow down through your body, softening and soothing every part of you. Feel the light moving down to your forehead, gently relaxing the muscles, easing any tension you might be holding on to. It flows to your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, releasing any tightness, allowing your face to soften completely. Continue to guide this light down your neck, across your shoulders and into your arms. Feel the weight of your arms as they rest beside you, heavy and relaxed. Allow this light to move down through your chest, your heart center, filling you with a sense of warmth and peace. And as the light continues to travel, it reaches your abdomen, your lower back, easing any discomfort or tightness. Let it flow through your hips, your pelvis, down to your thighs and into your knees. Notice the relaxation spreading through your legs, all the way down to your ankles, your feet, and finally to your toes. Your entire body is now bathed in this warm, restorative light, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel the gentle pulsation of energy, the soft hum of life within you. Now bring your awareness to your breath once more. Notice how it flows effortlessly, a continuous cycle of nourishment and release. With each inhale, you draw in vitality, and with each exhale, you let go of anything that no longer serves you. Allow your breath to guide you deeper into a state of surrender, where you can rest and restore. And as you rest here, take this moment to honor yourself for showing up today. This is an act of self-care, of listening to your body and mind's needs. Reflect on any intentions you'd like to set for yourself, whether it's more peace, more balance, or simply the permission to rest. Allow these intentions to gently float through your mind, not forcing anything, just letting them be. Imagine now that you're lying in a serene, safe place. Perhaps it's a quiet meadow, a tranquil beach, or a peaceful forest. Wherever you feel most at ease, visualize yourself there, surrounded by nature. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun, the sounds of nature all around you. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can fully let go and be present. Breathe in this peaceful environment, letting it fill your senses, and exhale any lingering stress or worry. You are safe. You are cared for. You are whole. And as you continue to rest in this serene space, allow yourself to simply be. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just rest, restore, and receive the benefits of this practice. Know that in this moment, you're nurturing every part of yourself, honoring the need for rest and self-care. You are worthy of this time, this peace, and this deep restorative rest. Now we're going to bring this session to a close. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen and chest. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, sigh it out, releasing any remaining tension. And when you're ready, roll to one side, pausing in the fetal position for a moment of gratitude for yourself and this time you've taken. Now slowly push yourself up to a seated position, keeping your eyes closed. Bring your hands together at your heart and take a moment to acknowledge the peace and relaxation you've cultivated today. Carry this sense of calm with you, knowing that you can return to this state of rest and restoration whenever you need to. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this restorative Yoga Nidra session for Self-Care Saturdays. Taking time for yourself is a beautiful act of self-love, and I hope this practice has provided you with the rest and nourishment you deserve. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential. And as you move through your day, carry this sense of peace and stillness with you, knowing that you can always come back to this place of deep relaxation. And until next time, be gentle with yourself and take care.